Episode 15. We're scrolling along. Oh, yes. The bird, the giant bird, the zappy zap, chop chop.
Oh no.
Oh,
Passing
no.
out. We're losing her.
Oh, wait. We lose her. We lose both of them?
I know she did look like she was just gone.
She's like, you're right.
私が4年ほどになります。
4
俺は1
years.
年くらいだな。
Well, 1 year. Gosh, dang. That's how much time has gone by already?
It's already been that long, huh?
Just a mere 4 years.
魔法使いも僧侶も揃って
Yeah, I mean, after you got the priest, like, what else could you be missing?
フリーレン様がミミックに引っかかるので
Ah.
Oh,
Oh no, don't
my
do it.
gosh.
Oh no.
Always.
宝箱には無限
An older. I thought it would be something
What?
messy. But Firen is
Yeah,
Alright.
you've got that. You've already got it.
1,000, whatever.
right, right. Why doesn't
す
that
ごく辛
count?
そう悪かったね
He's like, let's change the
he's like-
subject. We're moving forward.
It's like, let's go to the village. Let's
Yeah.
split up from this guy and we'll bounce.
Do you think there's gonna be an older lady here?
I think we're looking at her. No.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Everybody.
Oh. Oh, wow. This went from a joke to sad.
息はありますね
So
Oh.
we just sleep in then?
どういうことだ。
するし次の村に行こうかフリーレン様怒りますよ
Don't. Oh, I'm just kidding. Yo, Firen got jokes.
Yep,
面
yep.
倒だね
Don't make me angry, okay?
なあフリーレン。呪いって何なんだ。
魔物や魔族が技術じゃ原理も解除方法もわからない
じゃあこの村はもう手遅れなのか。
あくま
Yeah,
で人
but
類
people
の
gonna be
魔法
good?
での話だよ
Yeah, she said other people,
僧侶
not
が使う
her,
女神様
okay?
の魔法なら
So.
話は別だ呪いへの対処は昔から僧侶のなりわいだから
せかすな。
Nice.
呪いの種類と発信源を調べている。
Yo, this dude
Okay.
is the 0-100. He's like, oh, ladies, I'm
女
busy.
神様の魔法って他の魔法とどう違うの。
I'm working.
女
Give me
神
a
様の
moment.
魔法は聖典に記されていて
フリーレンでもうまく防げないのか。
魔法使いでは呪いは感知で
Oh
きない
man.
から
Okay, so
Oh,
alright.
wow.
なんとなく攻撃されてい
Something
る感じが
good
す
thing
る
they
か
brought
ら
the priest.
この村がまだ呪いの範囲内ってことだけはします
俺ら現在進行形で呪われてる
Oh my.
Yeah. Right? Do we need to get
かな
away?
り特殊な呪いだということが分かった。
解除
早い。発信源は魔物だ。位置も割り出した。
Damn.
Man.
Okay.
話が早く
Got all the
ていいね
information.
That's our boy right there.
フリーレン様
No.
シュタルク様が
No. He's messing around.
寝ているね
とにかく急いだ方が良さそうだな。
Oh.
So he really did have something to be
Dang,
worried about.
yeah,
He
yeah,
was just.
yeah. My
Man.
bad. My bad, Stark.
We gotta float him.
Across the gap.
No. I mean, it is nighttime though. Like, couldn't she just be
エ
tired?
ルンが起きない
No.
小休止だって言ったのに
フェルンも眠っ
隠しておこう
I mean, we gotta be quick about this.
I know. What is
More
going
squished.
on?
反応が近い。
Who the hell's doing this?
Oh no, no, no.
じゃあザイン
We can't lose like the rest of the crew here.
一人で戦っちゃダメだよ私が必ず倒す
Oh.
Are you
あ
though?
のな、俺の魔法じゃ5秒しか。
No.
フリーレン。
Damn, she's landing on her face too.
Yeah. Yeah. Were we right there? It's right next to you.
You're right there too.
Man,
まあいい。俺にも
we're about to see what he can do.
She's about to go solo leveling. All right, that's just a little sneak peek into
Yeah.
what we're planning for the future for everyone that's watching.
Yeah.
This stupid thing,
混沌
This is
感は
what's
足
doing it?
this
眠
chaos
った村人
flower.
はこいつの肥料ってわけか。
That is
じわ
kinda
じわと
gross.
魔力を吸い
It really does.
殺される。
I don't like it. This looks like a butthole. I don't really like it.
I was thinking the same thing.
その土地の原生植物と交わることで。
Let's go. Come on, let's make our move.
Oh.
だが どんなに造形がか
Oh, not that easy. Not that easy.
Just reflect it.
こいつ俺の魔法を
Yeah.
反射
Yeah.
させた
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was bad.
That's accurate.
逆にコアを打ち抜かないと
Oh, dang. Oh, look at the animation. Though. Look at that. Look at the movement.
こいつは勇者一行の魔法
So good. So
強
good.
力な魔法が反射したらこのも
I like him talking it through. Like, what's his strategy?
時間なんてねえぞそれに俺はまだ
特に私の仲間であったフリーレンはその点が拙
She was terrible at
Man.
bow.
私は彼女の言葉を信じることにしました私はその言葉を信じたんですよ
She said she would help here too.
言葉を信じるか
Are we gonna trust her words again?
What's she gonna do?
だよ私が必ず倒すから
What? How?
She knew this was happening. She knew it.
どうなっても目覚めの怪獣
5 seconds, right?
That's it.
5 seconds.
You got 5 seconds.
コアだけを
Threw it around. They
Ew!
didn't know what was coming.
Swung it around town.
She woke up completely ready to destroy it.
She swung that thing around the block. Came back. Nice. Yeah, that was like at least another 3 seconds to spare too.
Yeah, right.
Could have killed 2 of them.
Yeah.
ありがとうね
That's the team right there. This whole crew.
Oh my gosh, the Pats.
There
The
you
good boy.
go. Good boy. Yes.
あの村のお姉さん綺麗だったな
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
まだ言ってる
Are
Still
you
talking
still
about
saying
it.
that? Are you
俺
still
が
talking
多い
about
か
it?
魔法都市オイサーストまでの中継
Dang,
地点まで
29
やっ
years.
と半分ですか本当
Man.
に長い道です
Man.
ね
Very
と
long
にかく
journey.
フォーリヒで物資を補充して
何何なの
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What are you
Why
doing?
don't we give my man a pat down?
どうしも
A nice body.
お前私の屋敷に来い
What are we after
hey,
here?
hold on now.
What are you
What's going-
doing?
Yeah. What's going on? What'd you do to my dude?
Dude was like patting on his butt and
I
stuff.
know. What?
名は何という
Didn't even ask.
シュタルク
He looks so uncomfortable. Why are
こう
we
いう
here?
のは困ります
私を知っているのかシュタルクお前と話すにはママの許可が必要
Oh, whoa, this dude is
Why are we-
messy.
Yeah, let's get away from this guy. I don't like it the way he's talking to him.
金なら出す
Oh, okay, hold on.
行くよシュタルク
Oh, no, we're not even.
I agree. Out. We'll find money someplace else.
Are you
Dude's
sure about
rude.
that?
Yeah.
何そ
Looks
れ
like we got 2 pennies and 3
手持ちのロビン
pesos.
だってさ
We're not
話
doing
ぐら
too
い
good.
なら聞いてあげてもいい
フリーレン
We can at least talk about it.
シュタルク様ロギン
We need the money. Get out there. Go do what you gotta do. Just come back with that bag.
叩き込む
Tough times. He looks so awkward right now.
Oh boy. Meanwhile, these guys,
They living it up.
they living it up. Eating all the donuts they want. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's worn out.
シュタルク様作法の練習はどうですか
Training. What do you think? look how I'm walking right now.
Does not look good. Oh, man.
Oh, smooth.
どうかな
Oh.
Oh, watch out.
似
you
合って
know.
ない
It doesn't suit you. That's not nice.
サタサタな空気吸ってくる良すぎるぜあんた
It's tough. Losing a kid. Dang. Wow.
Hasn't even really had the
ムー
chance
ト
to
もっ
cope
と
with
背
it.
筋を伸ばせ
Mhm.
はい父上
兄ほどの才はないな
Here we go.
Man.
Deja
努
vu.
力家だ
Okay, alright,
積
okay.
み上げてきたものは決して裏切らんあいつはいつか私よりも強いチーム
Okay, all right. We're hearing some good things. Okay.
Mhm.
それムートに言ってやった方がいい
だから調子に乗ってなかなか上達せ
Oh
ん
Oh.
no. Man.
そりゃ 台だ。
Damn, she just double donuting it. That's a tough word.
年頃の男子が一人で行くことなどあり得ると思うのか。それともママが連れて行ってくれるのか。
This guy.
Wow.
He got some problems with mommies?
I don't know. What is his deal?
Man.
Oh. She can't have no donuts now? Are you kidding me?
They had all the donuts they wanted. Now they're starting to get slapped for it.
You want Freeman's is here just enjoying life. Oh!
Now she's getting some training too. Oh, this is gonna be cute.
They're gonna do a little dance, huh?
I think so.
Damn.
ここ1ヶ月地獄でした
Yeah, you get it.
お銀のためだろ
we
Alright.
need some money.
Uh-huh.
でした
練習したんだしさ。踊ろうぜ。
Here goes a little fun, man. Come on now. Okay, all right, start. Dang, there's a lot of moves being made this week in anime.
Very quick, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now start first Andy.
They're both starting to look a little happy, a little surprised. Okay, here we go.
There it
All right,
is.
we're getting into it now. Yeah.
There it is. Okay. Now, does he go in for the kiss? Does he get denied like
Are we
Andy
there
did?
yet? Huh? Oh,
The animation is really nice.
it's beautiful.
Yeah. Dang.
Even the dip, man.
He's got the little dip.
Got a little dip going, yeah.
I know. Wow. Oh, look at it. Got
I
dressed up
love it. I
too.
love the hair.
食べる
I'm gonna eat cake.
That's what I would want too.
報酬の魔導書どれにしよ
Choose my reward.
うもう半日
Half
Oh,
a
no.
day?
ガーベル様
Pick.
Killing me.
Pick.
We only have been for a few seconds.
Come on.
ありませんよ
Another episode of Freeman in the books. Thanks so much for joining us. If you missed out on the last insane episode of Jujutsu Kaisen, check it out with us right here.